Hey friends, today I've got an interesting wildlife story for you. I learned about an animal called the Jaguarundi, and this is a cat, a wild cat that lives in South America, Central America, and used to actually live in the southern part of the United States, but they are extinct in the United States as far as is known. But this Jaguarundi is a wild cat, and the name makes it sound like it might be related to the jaguar. It's actually more closely related to pumas, cougars, mountain lions, and I thought it was pretty fascinating because I have never heard of this animal before. But that's my wildlife interest of the day. Have a great day.